Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to prepare gluten-free laddus using ragi or nachni or finger millet flour. Required ingredients are 1 bowl ragi flour, 2 to 3 cubes of jaggery, some raisins and half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to the pan and roast the ragi flour until we smell nice aroma. Almost roasting is finished. At this point add cardamom powder and roast for 1 more minute. Transfer the roasted flour to a plate and keep it aside. Now take a pan, add little water and jaggery cube to make jaggery syrup. Let the jaggery melt and thicken. I use a method to check the consistency of the syrup. When you add a drop of syrup to water, if the syrup mixes with the water, it is not ready yet and must thicken. If syrup does not get mixed in the water and sets at the bottom of the bowl, that means the syrup has got the correct consistency. Filter the syrup and set aside. Now add raisins to the roasted flour and mix well. Add little jaggery syrup to the flour and grease some ghee on the palm and make laddus. We can add full syrup to the flour, but the laddus will be too sweet. So I am adding a small amount at a time. Yummy and tasty laddus are ready to be served. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos.